Hey guys, automation is the key to saving time, reducing errors, and boosting efficiency. Here are some of the best apps for business process automation. Zapier connects hundreds of apps to automate repetitive tasks without coding. Example, autosave Gmail attachments to Google Drive or Slack notifications for new leads. Make, formerly Integromat, excuse me. Advanced workflow automation for complex processes. Example, automatically generate invoices from CRM updates. Monday.com combines project management with automation features. For example, auto assign tasks, notify teams, and track approvals. UiPath, ideal for robotic process automation or RPA. Example, automate data entry or form processing at scale. Lastly, HubSpot Operations Hub integrates marketing, CRM, and automation in one platform. Start small with repetitive, high volume tasks. Once automation works, scale it across departments. These tools are game changers for startups and enterprises alike. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.